Hey everybody, Ryan here. Today I am going to talk about putting things in bags, on a table, putting clothes on. We are going to learn about put and how to use it. First, this is a book. This is a book. This is a book bag. I put the book in the book bag. I put the book in the book bag. I put the book in the book bag. Next. This is a laptop or computer. I say laptop. I put the laptop in the book bag. The laptop is in the book bag. I put the laptop in the book bag. This is a water bottle. I put the water bottle in my book bag. On the side, like that. I put the water bottle here. I put it on the side of the book bag. I put it here. Next, I need my glasses. Here are my glasses. These are glasses. These are my glasses. I put my glasses on. I put my glasses on. I take them off. Put on, take off. Put on, take off. I put my glasses in the case. This is a case. I put my glasses in the case. I close the case. The case is closed. I put my glasses in my book bag right here. I close it. I put my glasses in my book bag. Now I need a jacket. This is a jacket. I put on the jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I take off my jacket. This is a phone. This is my phone. I put my phone on the table. I put my phone on the table. I lift it up. I put it on the table. That is how we can use put. I can put on clothes. I can put on glasses. I can put things into a bag. I can put things on the table. I put the phone on the table. That is how we can use put. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye for now.